Before you watch this video, please make sure to go to my channel and click on playlists. Then from the playlists, select Forex Scalping Strategies. Click on the Scalping Strategies and then you will find here one video called the Best Forex Scalping Strategy explained in details along with Forex price action. Please watch these two videos in order to understand the strategy that you are about to watch in this live trading video. It was one boring week without trading the Forex market, and I really felt empty here, and I felt like I have nothing else to do here, and I just felt like, when will the market will open? Finally, it's open today at 3rd of January 2023. Let's now together start the live trading video, and I want to start here my very first trade right with you guys. So as we can see right here on the 4-hour time frame, we are having here this previous resistance, and as you can see also we had here this bullish breakout candle, so meaning that previous resistance right now is most likely gonna become a new support. Now by looking at the left side as well, we can see right here, my friends, that we are also having a strong key support level, and of course that level of a support most likely is gonna be respected. Now the point here is you want to trade the pullbacks or the impulse from the reactions of the candles once they actually reach this level of a support. So let's now move to the 1-hour time frame. Now on the 1-hour time frame, I'm actually not afraid about this price action right here. The candle is still alive. It still has about 20 minutes for the closure, which means that level of a support right there most likely is going to be indeed respected. I believe it's a very trusted, worthy trade, and I believe I can enter it right now, aiming at least 20 pips of profit, as you can see right here. If I place the trade right here right now, I'm going to place it. Actually, I'm thinking about it. I'm waiting for the candle to make some... Yes, I think that's fine. That's totally fine. Yes, totally fine. Perfect. Fantastic. Oh, the stop loss. Oh. Wait a minute. This is a mistake here. Wait a minute. Oh, $120. Okay. That's actually a lot more than what I planned to invest. Let's see. Actually, maybe staying 1 week without trading has affected me, I think. Actually, I wanted to place the stop loss somewhere here below that support level right here. The stop loss is very tight. It's only like 14 pips, but the problem here is the amount of money. It's $120. That's actually quite a lot. Let's just look at the positive sides, however. If we place the trade right here, my friends, we're actually aiming the nearest resistance to our entry. This is the new support, of course, and as you can see, this is the nearest resistance to our entry, which means that's going to be our take profit level. So what I'm going to do right here only is trading the impulse of the market. Once the reaction of the candle, once it reaches that level of a support, it's gonna make a pullback at least to reach that level of a resistance, and afterwards I will close the trade, and afterwards it might actually continue the fall or might continue the rise. I really don't give a shit about it. All I take care for, my friends, is just to make some profits from the pullback that's gonna happen once the market reaches that level of a resistance. Now keep in mind that it is called the 20 pips a day strategy, which means yourself, not for myself, of course, because I get used to trade this style for many years. But if you want to make some profits in trading Forex, I highly recommend you guys to find that one trusted trade and just aim 20 pips only. And once you reach it, just close the platform and just stop trading for the whole day. Continue trading the day after, and just to secure some good profits. So as you can see, the only problem here is the tight stop loss. I'm just really worried about it. I'm just to be honest with you guys, I don't want to start my 2023 with a loss, and it's gonna be a big loss. $120. It's actually a big loss with this small account. I hope it's gonna reverse. I hope it's gonna be fine. It should be fine. That level of a support, my friends, most likely is gonna be respected after here this strong bullish breakout candle. Anyway, I entered this trade knowing that this price action is scary because usually it indicates for a bearish reversal. However, the candle is still alive. You cannot decide any price action unless the candle is actually closed with that price action. This candle is still alive. Therefore, that price action right here is not yet finalized. However, let me now please pause the recording and I'll be back to you guys to show you what will gonna happen with this trade shortly. Yeah, that trade is not going well at all. Unfortunately, we started the first trade of the year in big loss actually. $111. Actually, I'm not feeling good about it at all. It's really annoying. At this point, I just really hate I hate Forex at this point. It's all right. It happens, guys. It happens. I think there is no need to keep this trade running. I think it's not worth it. I will just leave it there to hit the stop loss. It's almost right there. I don't know. Maybe there is any chance for it to reverse before that. Of course, the problem here is the place of the stop loss. It has to be placed right there. Let me just explain it to you. Actually, the place of my stop loss is just horribly wrong. The problem is I cannot really afford to make it lower than that because it's going to be a bigger, much bigger loss. And there is, of course, a chance that the stop loss might be hidden somehow. So therefore, I believe the place of my stop loss is just really wrong. But the right place is exactly right here where my mouse is actually pointing at. Actually, even a little more right there. However, things happened. I mean, as we can see right here, we are having also here a support trend line. It might reverse at this point. No way. I cannot accept this. I cannot increase the stop loss more than that. $175? No way. Oh, I don't know. I'm thinking this is the reversal point. This is the reversal point. 230. My lot size, guys, is really big. It's really big. 1.1 on the pound CAD with $2,500 account. That's really a lot. I'm thinking, I don't know what to do, to be honest with you guys. I'm just thinking, I don't want to lose it. It's obviously going to be a winning trade. But the problem is I cannot really risk losing a lot of money. 150 is going to be all what I can risk. 150 is going to be it. Okay. Let me please pause the recording and I'll be back to you. That's a good thing here, guys. After analyzing the market a little bit more, I have adjusted my stop losses here to be about 224. That's the maximum I can go to. And as we can see, the reversal point was almost right there where my stop loss was there earlier. I need to make a video about the right place of stop losses because I'm sure a lot of you had this scenario when you are placing a trade and it just hit the stop loss, and exactly from the stop loss point the market will reverse, and of course you will be knocking off everything and you'll be very mad, angry, and of course raged because the market has just reversed from your stop loss. And of course there is a way to avoid that, and I will make sure to clear it on the next video. However, the market right now is reversing. The 1 hour candle has just closed, and as you can see, the next candle still has 51 minutes for the closure time. The market has reversed for about 9 pips so far. So far, we are just in $50 of loss, which is really acceptable. However, However, let's see now what will gonna happen. I believe the market eventually gonna continue the rise after the appearance of that fake breakout right here, and the candle has indeed closed like that. Therefore, we can actually expect from the market to continue the rise till it reach our take profit level and hit that resistance level, and afterwards it might actually continue falling. Anyway, I know this trade is risky, and I really felt so much nervous about it, and I felt so much stressed, but I think eventually it's gonna end up in a good profit. Anyway, I will pause the recording again, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Guys, I really want to get done with this trade. $33 of profit. I'm gonna take it. $41. 33. It's totally fine. I really feel tense with this trade, and I just really don't feel like it anymore. And I think that's fine. That's fine. Just get done with it. $31. Just end it. And just end it. Really, guys, this is awesome. I mean, I was about to leave the stop loss right there, and as you can see, the market has reversed exactly from that point. Thankfully, I have adjusted it, of course, after analyzing the market, and actually I have spotted right here that resistance trend line, and I have seen that the market indeed is respecting that level and retesting it. Therefore, it's going to continue the rise exactly from the point of my previous stop loss. This is really important practice, and I believe the next video has to be about placing these stop losses in the right places. Anyway, the lot size has to be adjusted just to one lot only, and let's now again begin trying to find another setup. Therefore, let me know, please pause the recording, and I'm going to continue recording once I find the next setup. Euro NZD. Euro NZD now showing us a very good setup, as we can see right here on the 4-hour time frame. We are currently, my friends, on a support zone, which means we have to look for a buy setup. That's great. Let's now move to the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame showing us here a perfect buy setup, and I'm going to place the buy order right now. Fantastic. Of course, notice my very accurate entries. Of course, because I'm using IC markets, and that the spread is very tight on these pairs. As you can see also for the USD pairs, it's just less than 1 pip. It's the general zero spread only, which is really fantastic, and that is exactly what you want as a scalper. However, let me just explain to you the reason why did I open the trade on the 15-minute time frame. So right here on this time frame, we can notice right here, my friends, that we had here this real setup of real support. Then we had here the fake breakout, and pay attention, the same level of a real support has been respected not only once but twice. And again, we had here another fake breakout. Now, actually, this is very important lesson here. Once you are seeing actually a real level of a support, then being followed later with the fake breakout, the market will most likely respect the same level of a real support right after the fake breakouts. And then the market actually might reverse and make another fake breakout. Then that's gonna be good opportunity for you to place another buy order exactly on the same level of the real support. Of course, you have to make sure, first of all, that you are currently on a support zone by looking at the bigger time frames, such as the 1 daily chart or 4-hour time frame. Even 1-hour time frame is fine, as long as you're confirming the direction on the bigger time frames. Then moving to the small time frame just to find the decent entry. So therefore, I found this good entry right here on the 15-minute time frame, exactly right there. Now that level of a previous real support after the appearance of that fake breakout, that level of a real support is most likely gonna be respected. Therefore, that's gonna be our trade for now. So the take profit level, my friends, has to be placed exactly at the nearest strong resistance, or the nearest resistance to our entry. Now, since I have placed my trade right here exactly on that level of a previous support, the take profit level has to be placed at the nearest resistance, which is exactly right here. This is the nearest resistance to that entry. The stop loss right now could be either equivalent to the take profit level, or could be actually based on your investment. So for example, I'm risking right here 156 to earn $100, which is not good. So therefore, I'm gonna make the stop loss equivalent to the take profit level. That's actually better, and you can actually have better control on your funds. But however, it's really important to mention something. What happened in the last trade was actually a big lesson to everyone. Placing your stop loss in the exact right places is very important, and I believe personally that this is actually one of the biggest mistakes that the traders are doing, placing their stop losses on the wrong places. Anyway, on the wrong level of of course. Anyway, let's now pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later, my friends, to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Guys, really sorry I was on a phone call when it happened, but the take profit level has been hit. As you can see right here, the market has reversed exactly for more than 22 pips, and we have made so far $129 profit with this trade. $104 was the profit from that trade. Amazing, really great. $104 from one trade, really amazing. I'm so glad for the great beginning of this week so far. We are in 13 minutes of this video, and actually I'm really excited to make a video about the stop loss and the take profit levels and how to avoid such scenarios. Therefore, I'm gonna stop right here, guys. Very short live trading session with only 2 trades, but as you can see, the first trade was really a big lesson to me and to everyone, and I want to share this with everyone. Also, we need to make a video about the midweek analysis. As we can see right here, Euro USD at the break even, Pound USD is running in profit, AUD USD was running in total of 54 pips of profit, currently running in a profit of about 20 pips. USD CAD is at the break even right now. USD JPY has already hit the take profit level. It just reversed like 15 pips only before reaching our sell area. Of course, I cannot claim this signal, but in general, it worked and went in the right direction. USD hasn't been triggered, and the gold has already hit the take profit level without being triggered. So, of course, everything is running well. I'm just so happy about the profit that we have made in the morning. Right now, it's 9:31 a.m. Dubai time. So I will continue trading after like 1 hour. Until then, I would like to thank everyone for watching this video, and of course, in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.